Hey guys, this is Richard from Garage Factory SD. I'll be showing you how to go from your Altium PCB document, get it panelized in Flatcam, then export it into a CNC code that you could mill from your SNAPMAKER 2. Here in Altium I have a single-sided board design. I'll go to Fabrication Outputs, Gerber X2. I want to export all used on and millimeters. Hit OK. Also, if your design has holes, you should export the NC drill files. Now opening up Flatcam. In Flatcam, open your Gerber file. Go to your signal top. Then open up your board outline file. Then open up your Epsilon NC drill files. So I want to mill this design in a panel. I'm working with a 4x6 copper board and want to panelize this design to fit in the 4x6 board. To panelize the PCB, go to Tools, Panelize PCB. And then be sure to panelize it with reference to the board outline. And then do the same for your board outline file and your NC drill file. Then I want to add some fiducials on the panel. To do that, I'm just going to copy the signal layer and save a copy just in case I mess up. Go to your fiducial tool. I like to use the manual method, and you click on each one individually where you want to place your fiducials, and then click on Add Fiducial to start. It's a good idea to save just in case this program crashes. I'll call it test 2. I want to shift this panel up so that the corner would start at 0, 0. Okay, so now you have your panel set up. Select one of the panelized items. Go to selected. I like to hit multicolor to see the different regions of copper. I like to put the margin to 0. And then go to your isolation routing. Delete whatever is populated in that square. I go with cutting 0.1 millimeter, and my tool diameter is about 0.14. then hit generate once you're done. Double check that Flatcam has generated an etch outline for all your traces. Again, set the cut Z depth to be -0.1, and then you could generate your CNC object. Then save your CNC code. Disable the signal Panelized plots so we could work on generating the cutout for the board outline. Click on your Panelized board outline, go to selected, set the boundary margin to 0. Instead of going to isolation routing, go to the cutout tool. The board I'm using is 1.7 millimeter in height. I'll be using a 0.8 millimeter flat end mill. The gap size, I like to set it at 0.4 millimeter. Then generate rectangular geometry. Once it generates the geometry, go to the selected panel, double check all the parameters, and then generate the CNC job. And then save the CNC code. Finally, go to your Exelon panel file. By default, it selects a diameter that you need to use to drill these holes. And generate CNC object. And then save the CNC code. Depending on your SNAPMAKER firmware, sending this Flatcam file might hang your SNAPMAKER. To fix this, keep all the lines that start with G0, M0, and delete the parenthesis lines in the beginning. Then you could go to your SNAPMAKER Luban. And then open G-code file, and you could actually directly import the generated CNC code. Once you turn on your SNAPMAKER, you could see whether it finds it on this Wi-Fi column. and then send the file to your SNAPMaker via Wi-Fi. And this concludes the tutorial of going from your Gerber, panelizing it in Flatcam, and then transferring over to SNAPMaker Luban. Check out the video where the SNAPMaker mills these CNC files. Feel free to leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.